Hey, what's up guys? I'm New York Rocky 1192 and welcome back to another video. So today we're going to be opening this Supreme Darkness 25th Anniversary Edition that I found at BJ's. Well, that was the last place I'd expected to find Yu-Gi-Oh cards, and surprisingly, it was a little bit cheaper than at Walmart for this, but one of these is more expensive at BJ's than at Walmart. So, alright, enough with that. Let's get down to opening this. And if you guys want to see me open that retros, make sure you're with me during the live stream. I will be opening that some point during the live stream. So, let's get to opening this, because I've wasted enough time. Ooh, that's nice artwork. Ooh. Alright, I'll see you guys in the next one and hopefully the live stream.